It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with the park brake just below, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and a cloth interior. Next, I'm gonna hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and the right side has our audio controls and voice command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. Next up is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at once. We also have some USB ports and a power plug-in. At the front of the Elevation Edition is the painted grille surround and bumper, blacked out GMC emblems, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, Elevation hard badging down the side, black assist steps. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, 4x4, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. This truck also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing two additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, and some USB ports and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.